Welcome to the world of photography essentials. Whether you're just beginning your journey or looking to refresh your skills, understanding key concepts can significantly improve your photos. Let's start with the exposure triangle. This foundational concept in photography involves balancing three elements: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Together, they determine the exposure of your image. Adjusting one will affect the others, so finding the right balance is crucial. Switching to manual mode on your camera can seem daunting, but it gives you full control over your shot. Manual mode allows you to adjust settings like aperture and shutter speed to achieve the perfect exposure. When it comes to file formats, JPEG and RAW are the two main options. JPEG compresses the image, making it smaller but losing some detail. RAW captures all the data, providing more flexibility during editing. Aperture affects depth of field, shutter speed freezes or blurs motion, and ISO controls the camera's sensitivity to light. Mastering these will allow you to capture stunning photographs. Finally, let's simplify white balance. White balance ensures your images don't have unnatural color casts, often adjusting for artificial lighting. With this understanding, you'll set your camera to capture true-to-life colors. By mastering these basics, you'll open up a world of creative possibilities. Keep experimenting and refining your skills to become a better photographer.